Hey guys, Ali from Alterax. Hope you're having a great day. Here, end of November, about mid-November, anticipating Thanksgiving. Things are good. Hey, I wanted to show you, we've been playing with this GPP. I've had other videos that we put out, but we really, I think, nailed it this time. Pretty close to, we're gonna ship this one because there's a customer that purchased this, but this is basically a cooler tray. That's what they're gonna use it for, but you could see the potential as far as having the space to put products here, and then we're working for actually a cover as well that's going to be lock-in system on there that will make it a little more secure, and then you can leave stuff overnight. But going over this, the general purpose platform is right here. This is the platform that we're talking about, and if it was out, it would look like this. Basically, here's your GPP platform right here. This is what's mounted on there, and then this is going to give us the ability to create different features, capabilities, and attachments to this part, so we can bring you options as far as putting stuff between the rack and the vehicle, because we have that offset. We're going to utilize it. The way this mounts into the vehicle, it uses these side plates. It uses the auxiliary hole on the XL hitch or the regular hitch. Those two are both compatible to the GPP. And then there's an internal piece that I'm going to turn this around. This is your internal piece tubing system that aligns it. What this does, it transfers all the forces and weights off of this tray into the vehicle's receiver, the auxiliary hole, and the endpoint. So you have 3 bolts distributing the forces and the weight into the vehicle, and super low center of gravity, so it doesn't affect the rack with the bikes on. It's very minimal as far as that affecting anything as far as the rack itself. So it's going to come with 4 pieces. You're going to have the tube system, you're going to have the 2 side plates, you're going to have the GPP, and then we're going to have all sorts of features and capabilities and attachments that's going to go on that GPP. Again, this is a tray mount right now. It's pretty cool. We designed this for a specific Arctic cooler that's going to go on here. You have strapping holes. You can throw straps on and strap it over so you can pull that cooler down. Again, this is called the general purpose platform, and we're going to send this one to Patacut today, and we're going to start finishing up the drawings on this and get it close and start offering these as a product. Hope you're having a great day. Again, this is Ali from Alterax. Michael's holding the phone. Have a great day, y'all.